In the ever-evolving world of consumer drone technology, every new release represents not just a step forward, but often a leap into new possibilities. With speculation building over the past year, tech enthusiasts and drone operators have been eagerly awaiting confirmation on the next innovation in DJI's Mini series. That moment has arrived. According to insider insights and supply chain signals, the highly anticipated Mini 5 Pro is slated for unveiling on August 7, 2025, a date that could very well reshape the landscape of compact drones. Unlike the typical rumor mill that churns out unreliable whispers, this date lines up neatly with DJI's historical release patterns. If we look back to the launch of the Mini 4 Pro, which dropped in the later months of 2023, it's clear the company has found a rhythm in introducing new tech toward the end of summer. The timing is strategic, ideal for capturing autumn landscapes, travel photography, and the attention of content creators prepping for the holiday season. And here's the catch. We're not just talking about a slightly tweaked follow-up. The Mini 5 Pro is looking to revolutionize the category it helped create. With powerful advancements baked into a familiar form, this device might just redefine what users expect from a sub-250-gram flying machine. Regulatory. Sweet spot. Why staying under 250G still matters. One of the most compelling aspects of the upcoming Mini 5 Pro is its weight, or rather the lack of it. By keeping the drone under the 250-gram threshold, the manufacturer ensures that the product stays within a category that enjoys lighter regulatory scrutiny in many parts of the world. This is no small matter. In jurisdictions like the United States, Canada, the UK, and most EU countries, drones that weigh less than 250 grams often bypass many of the heavier restrictions tied to their larger counterparts. This design choice isn't just a convenience, it's a strategic advantage. Operators can fly more freely without dealing with registration requirements or extensive certifications. It opens the skies to more users, whether they're flying recreationally or professionally. By optimizing for this weight class, the Mini 5 Pro becomes not just a high-tech device, but a passport to greater aerial freedom. The accidental reveal. A glimpse into the future while DJI has remained officially tight-lipped. The digital world has offered an early peek into what we can expect. A surprising bit of unintentional reconnaissance came from a mountain biker in China who inadvertently captured what appears to be the Mini 5 Pro in action during a trail ride. This wasn't a blurry, nondescript prototype, far from it. The drone caught on camera looked fully built and flight-ready. The design showed no sign of clunky propeller guards or prototype tape. What emerged from the footage was sleek, compact, and unmistakably streamlined hallmarks of a production-grade device. From this, we can infer that DJI is far along in its final testing phases and is likely preparing for mass production. Familiar, yet fresh. A refined form factor from the design glimpses available, the drone retains its iconic foldable structure. But don't mistake familiarity for stagnation. The frame appears to have been subtly refined, possibly to improve airflow, enhance stability, and reduce heat buildup. These refinements suggest a strong focus on performance, not just aesthetics. Moreover, early analysis of the leaked imagery hints at new cutouts on the front of the chassis, which could suggest the inclusion of a highly advanced sensing system, possibly laser-assisted radar LAR. This technology would represent a major advancement in obstacle avoidance and environmental awareness, especially in a device as compact as this one. Seeing in 3D the power of laser-assisted radar for those unfamiliar. Laser-assisted radar works by emitting light pulses that bounce off nearby objects, allowing the drone to map its surroundings in real time. This tech creates a 3D model of the environment, enabling it to detect obstacles more accurately than traditional vision-based systems, especially in tricky conditions like low light, mist, or densely wooded areas. The implications of this are massive. It's not just about safety, it's about capability. With near 360 environmental awareness, the Mini 5 Pro could navigate tight corridors, fly through trees, or follow subjects through complex terrain without missing a beat. It lays the groundwork for semi-autonomous navigation, where the drone can make decisions and reroute itself intelligently. Motors and muscle, performance enhancements under the hood, alongside its upgraded intelligence, the drone appears to boast a new set of motors. But these aren't just replacements, they're vented. This detail might seem minor, but it reveals a commitment to efficiency. Venting improves airflow around the motor coils, allowing them to stay cooler under load, which can dramatically improve performance during prolonged flights or windy conditions. The benefits are clear: less heat means more efficient power use, longer motor life, and more stability during fast directional shifts or climbs. Combined with enhanced cooling strategies throughout the frame, the Mini 5 Pro seems engineered to push its limits while maintaining optimal thermal performance. Battery life. Gets a boost. A significant leap forward appears to come from the drones. Battery system. Regulatory filings hint at a substantial upgrade, up to 40 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Compared to the 34-minute capability of its predecessor, this 6-minute improvement is not just a convenience. It's an enabler. Longer airtime means fewer landings, fewer interruptions, and more time to get that perfect cinematic shot. This is especially valuable for creators filming in remote areas or tracking moving subjects. Fewer battery swaps also mean reduced gear load, which can make a huge difference in mobile shooting scenarios. The new power system is reportedly backed by advanced battery management software. Features like smart return to home, automatic low battery rerouting, and adaptive power balancing ensure you not only fly longer, but fly smarter. The camera revolution, bigger sensor, bigger impact, where this drone truly shines, and what may set it apart from all others in its class is in the camera system. While the Mini 4 Pro already impressed with its 1.3 sensor, rumors now point to a full 1-inch sensor on the Mini 5 Pro. That's a serious upgrade. A larger sensor means better light intake, which translates to sharper images, greater dynamic range, and vastly improved low-light performance, whether you're shooting at dawn, dusk, or in the dappled shadows of a forest. Your footage will come out cleaner and more vibrant. With this kind of sensor on board, the drone elevates itself from a hobbyist tool to a legitimate filmmaking device. This opens new doors for professional content creators, filmmakers, photographers who've had to compromise on quality for portability until now 6K. Video and social media ready formats. The camera isn't just getting a hardware bump. Word is, the Mini 5 Pro will support 6K video resolution. This is a dream feature for editors who want more flexibility in post-production, whether it's cropping, zooming, or downscaling to crisp 4K footage. For those creating content for mobile platforms, DJI appears to be retaining and possibly enhancing its vertical shooting mode. This mode is tailored for vertical-first platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Add in a revamped 3-axis gimbal and image stabilization software, and what you have is a flying camera that delivers buttery smooth footage regardless of wind or speed. Tough on the outside, smart on the inside, in terms of physical durability. The drone's chassis is expected to incorporate heat-dissipating materials, possibly a blend of polycarbonates and lightweight metals. These help in keeping temperatures stable, which is crucial for performance during long sessions. There are also hints that new color variants may be introduced, a departure from DJI's long-standing commitment to gray tones. Matte black, deep ocean blue, perhaps even a forest green for outdoor enthusiasts. These are yet to be confirmed, but the potential adds a layer of personalization to what is already a highly functional tool. Connectivity, stronger, faster, more reliable behind. Every great drone is a solid signal. While the previous generation already featured high-performance transmission via OcuSync, this upcoming model is rumored to boast enhanced connectivity, with stronger resistance to interference and more stable links in signal-rich or obstructed environments. Whether you're flying through a congested cityscape or across a misty valley, uninterrupted video feed and precise control are essential. Expect improved range, reduced latency, and potentially a new antenna configuration that ensures stability even in less than ideal conditions.